Next we are discussing cube root of unity. That means we want roots of z cube equal to 1. This is what cube root of unity. So for solving this one there are two methods. So first we are solving first method, method 1. According to method 1 we have to convert in terms of Euler's form. Okay, so 1 we can add what? Modulus of 1 into e power iota argument of 1. So this will come what? 1 equal to modulus of 1 is what? 1 into e power iota argument of 1. So argument of 1 is what? Principal argument of 1 plus 2k pi, and principal argument of 1 is what? 0. So this will come what? 2k pi. So this value we will put here. So what will come? Z cube equal to e power iota 2k pi. This will come. So from it z is what? E power iota 2k pi divided by 3. Okay. So here we have to put 3 consecutive values of k because we want 3 roots. So first value is what? K equal to 0. So for k equal to 0 we will get first root, that is z1. So z1 is what? If I put k equal to 0 here, what will come? E power iota 0. So we will get e power 0, that is 1. Now we will put k equal to 1. If you put k equal to 1 we will get second root. So e power iota 2 pi divided by 3. So second root is what? Z2 equal to e power iota 2 pi by 3. This root name we are giving omega. Now for third root we have to put k value is what? 2. So we will get third root. So Z3. Z3 is what? E power iota. If I put k value 2 here, what will come? 2 into 2 is what? 4. So what will come? 4 pi by 3. Iota 4 pi by 3. This will come. This one we can add what? E power iota 2 pi by 3 whole square. So this will come what? Omega square. Okay. So cube root of unit is what? 1 omega and omega square. Cube root of 1 is what? 1 omega and omega square. Where omega is what? E power iota 2 pi by 3. So in this one, instead of alpha we are giving name is what? Omega. Okay. So 1 omega and omega square. Second method is what? Method 2. Okay. By second method also we can find out cube root of unity. So equation is what? Z cube equal to 1. So this one we can what? Z cube minus 1 equal to 0. This one we can factorize a cube minus b cube. Okay, a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is at a minus b in bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So if you apply this formula here, we will get what? Z minus 1 into z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. So from here we can say that either z minus 1 equal to 0 or z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. So from here we can say that z minus 1 equal to 0 or z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. So from here what will come? Z equal to 1. This is one root. And for this one, this is what? Quadratic equation, we can find out roots. So z equal to what? We are using formula minus b. Here b is what? 1. So what will come? Minus 1 plus minus root over b square. So what will come? 1 square minus 4. A is what? 1 and c is what? 1 divided by 2a. 2 into 1. This will come. So what will come? Z equal to minus 1 plus minus root over 1 square is what? 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3 divided by 2. This will come. So this one we can add what? Z equal to minus 1 plus minus root over minus 3. So this one we can have what? Root over minus 1 into root over 3 divided by 2. And we know that root over minus 1 is what? Iota. Root over minus 1 is what? Iota. So this will come what? Z equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota divided by 2. Where iota is what? Root over minus 1. So from here we will get two roots. One root is what? Z equal to minus 1 plus iota root 3 divided by 2. And other root is what? Z equal to minus 1 minus iota root 3 divided by 2. This root is nothing but what? Omega. Because if you expand this one, omega, if you expand this one, e power iota 2 pi by 3 in terms of cos and sine, we will get minus 1 plus iota root 3 divided by 2. Similarly, if we square this one, we will get this one. So this is nothing but omega square. Or if we expand e power iota 4 pi by 3 in terms of cos and sine, we will get minus 1 minus iota root 3 divided by 2. So this is second method. So roots of unit is what? 1 omega and omega square. So cube root of unit is what? 1 omega and omega square. Now these roots, if you draw on complex plane, then what will happen? Okay, so we are taking complex plane. This one is origin, real axis, imaginary axis. Okay, now if we check magnitude of roots, magnitude is what? 1 magnitude is what? 1, omega magnitude is what? 1, and omega square magnitude is what? 1. Okay, so roots magnitude is what? 1. That means we can draw these roots on a circle whose radius is what? Magnitude, and magnitude is what? 1. So radius of circle is what? 1, and center is what? Origin. So we are taking a circle whose center is what? Origin, and radius is what? 1. Okay, that means this length is what? 1. So first root is what? 1. So this value is what? 1. So this is first root, z1 equal to 1. Second root is what? Omega, and omega is what? E power I at 2 pi by 3. So magnitude is what? 1, but argument is what? 2 pi by 3. That means 1 we have to rotate by 2 pi by 3 angle. So we'll get this root. So this is z2. Z2 is what? Omega. This angle is what? 2 pi by 3. Okay. Next is what? Omega square. So in omega, if you multiply omega, so we'll get omega square, and omega is what? E power I at 2 pi by 3. That means this omega we have to rotate by 2 pi by 3 angle. So we'll get omega square. So this is omega square, z3. And this angle is what? 2 pi by 3. So we can say that this angle also 2 pi by 3. तो यहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं angle between first root and second root is what? 2 pi by 3. Second and third is what? 2 pi by 3. And third and first also 2 pi by 3. Now if we join these 3 points, so we'll get a triangle. This one is what? A, this one is B, then this one is C. So we'll get 3 triangle A, B, C. See, you can see that this is what? Radius. So these two are equal. Similarly, this is also radius. So these two are equal. So we can say that this angle is what? Phi. Then this angle also phi. And in a triangle OAB, sum of angle is what? 160. So this is what? 2 pi by 3. That means 120. Then phi plus phi, 2 phi is what? 60 degree. Then phi will be what? 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. Similarly, we can see that this angle also 30 degree will come, because this is what? 2 pi by 3. Okay, then this sum should be what? 60 degree, and these two are equal. That means this will be 30, this will be 30. Okay, similarly in this triangle also, in triangle OCA also, we can see that this angle is 30 degree and this angle also 30 degree. That means this full angle is what? 60. Similarly, this full angle is what? 60, and this full angle is what? 60. So we can say that triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Triangle.